Okay, hello guys. I know this is bad quality. This camera is even only 720p. I'm already a little bit deep in this bottle because I celebrated my silence. But you're not gonna see this yet because I'm still in France. I just passed Luxembourg and I'm now in Portugal already. But you're gonna see the video of France. And I didn't want to start this camera and then set it to this laptop and everything else. I just want to start editing because I had a little bit of a problem with file extensions and oh my god, and raw files and yeah, and that's why I'm a little bit deep in this glass already because I was trying to drink away the problem and the problem still exists. Let me tell you that. We're now heading to France. We just left Luxembourg and we're already in France and we're gonna stop at the Foursquare Hoeve. I don't know, how is it called in English? A Hoeve. A farm. Yeah, farm. A Foursquare farm. Pretty popular. In the middle, an open field for working stuff, and then stables in the front, a house on the opposite side, and then two straight buildings for materials and storage. That's a Foursquare farm, very popular in the year 200 years ago, 150 years ago, in France and in Belgium. So it's very popular, but they are in very bad shape. So, and this was a couple where I could stand for a night or longer, but I think I did 2 nights. Yeah, I did. I always do 2 nights mostly because the first night you need to set up, and the second night you can relax a little bit and take a walk and stuff. So always 2 nights. I think I did it now for all the time. It was really damp. You couldn't do this with a normal car. If you had a normal car, you would be stuck. And I had a caravan behind it. The land was wet. It was deep wet even, but it was fine. I don't mind it. It's nice. I actually don't know why I started this camera. I think it was just a follow-up from Luxembourg to France. We're in France. Ok, j'arrive dans France. We're at the port, but I'm starting to like. We're off the national routes. Now we're at not off-road though, it's still concrete. No, it's even asphalt I think. But I need to do this 40 kilometers. And I think the roads are gonna be smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. But I like this much more. Now I'm focused. A nice little classical music on. Nice views. Slowly driving. I'm now doing, what is it, 80? No, 70. So that's not much. And I'm a little bit shaky and the car is working and everything is working. The only thing that's not gonna like is the most is Topsy. But we had a nice silhouette a second ago. We had a nice singing contest, and it's probably not sleeping in the back, I think, because normally he would be rested after a long drive, and mostly he isn't. So I don't think he sleeps. I don't think he's enjoying it fully. So maybe I should place him next to me. But yeah, I'll see. Hey, bonjour. Last trip, I tried to park right next to a tree and I hit a tree. That's why
This lens is broken. I have a lot of parts from it, so I'm gonna try to glue it today, because a second ago I checked the lights again and my brake light wasn't working, and then I had to open it again and undo the plastic because I taped a little bit of waterproofness, but I saw that the bulb was broken, so I need to find a new bulb. I have LEDs in the trunk deep down, but that's half an hour of unloading and an hour inloading, so I'm just gonna drive up to a gas station and find me a new bulb. I'm gonna try to clean this now a little bit, try to waterproof it without the lens, the plastic which is cracked here and here. So I'm gonna try to waterproof it, first clean it with a little bit of soapy water and a sponge. The light is really small, it's only this part, it's a little bit here also, but this is the main, so I don't miss a lot. I really don't miss a lot, but I miss a bit. Night and day. This is the bulb I was talking about. Yeah, I can't see that, it's not gonna focus, maybe. Yeah. They were working. First of all, a beer. Second of all, a little biscuit. Now fighting the dog away because he's looking at me, because it's a crispy paper. He thinks it's for him. And now this is coming from a stove, nice and cozy. This lens is separate from the rest, so normally you should be able to just buy this one, but this piece is only for sale at once, and it's extremely pricey because they don't make it anymore, I think, or something. But second hand, it's also very pricey, and it's kind of gluing. Okay, I got my glue. Okay, it's open. And here are the little pieces. Whoa, this smells strong. Oh, that's a little bit of a puzzle. Oakley dokley. My fingers are completely full of glue, but this is the result. I'm missing this part, and this part should be underneath here somewhere, but that doesn't really matter. Everything is hanky-dory. I'm gonna do white tape over it to make it a little bit stronger. And on this side I'm gonna still do duct tape, just because there is a hole here. I couldn't get that without the pin sets. You couldn't do this. Also this one that dropped in here and it's stuck, so that's no problem. This was a hole probably prior until the accident, and this part I probably lost. This is probably somewhere here, I think, because it has a support. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased how it turned out, and it's pretty strong. Let's install it again. Oh no, it's true, I'm not gonna install it again. I don't know how much I have left. I'm gonna use a little bit of sugar first, just to check something. I can put that in such a hole so that it hardens. I probably need something more fine, like flour. And then I can put it in a hole, drill a hole back in it, so my screw is catching again. I'm gonna wait until it hardens and check it out. Because second glue is not fast in hardening if it's not pressed until something else, or at least touchy. It's starting now, and it's starting to get hard. So, but it's way too korrelig, yeah, korrelig. But I think it's gonna work. See, it's getting hard. Yeah, it's getting hard. I'll try that again with flour. So I'm gonna try to have a little bit of tension over the plastic piece. Let's take some flour, not too much, that's too much, and arrange it like drugs. Oh, this is hardening really fast. Oh, this is, no, that's, I can't use this. No, this is hard already. So no, that's not possible. I need to find another solution. It is something to use, but not in this fashion. With the sugar it took a while, but now it has a lot of glue. It's contact glue, so if it feels contact, it binds or hardens, whatever. And with the sugar it didn't have, it probably really small corners, and it has a lot of contact area, so that's why it hardens really fast. So nope, I need to find something else. So to show you the problem, these screws are unable to bind here, so that's a little bit of an issue. Maybe I can super glue this as well a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna super glue this as well. So the super glue actually didn't work on this plastic. I never seen that. It just didn't stick one bit. So I taped it in with the good tape, not with the bad tape. Oh no, typically. One, and I saw the other one, 3.